Okay? If it's full up, you go to the other one, okay?
Wow! Everyone, hi guys! I'm Jaereen! Come to my channel! I love you all!
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Okay, our ingredients this.
Celery!
And what's this? Mango and strawberry. Okay, tell them. Jaereen, what are you going to do today? Hey! Say today. We're going to make popsicle stick. Okay, this one. So first, we're going to put the mango and the strawberry here. Put the strawberries here. Okay, this one without the leaves. You have to remove the leaves. This one without the leaves. This one. This. Okay, this.
This one.
Okay.
And this one.
Okay. Yes, please. Wow, here it is. Report here. Pour it out. Pour it out. Yum. Mango. Thank you. You want to help mommy? You're such a good girl. So we have mango and what's this? Strawberry.
Yummy.
Yummy. So what's this?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. And what's this?
Mango.
Mango. Okay.
I want to touch it.
Not with the hand. Suppose with the... Want to taste it? Okay, here. So
No.
we're going to put them here. Okay. This is for the strawberry and this is for the mango. First, we put the mango. The mango first. The mango. Okay. Okay, mango first. Okay, first the mango. You come. Put the mango. That. Here. One. Okay, another one. Slowly.
I want to help.
Two. Okay. Slowly.
And
Three. Oh. Careful. This one first. We finish. First the mango. Four. Okay, one more. And five. And six. Okay.
7, 8, 9, and
10. Good job. Okay, so the mango is finished. Now what's next? Okay, slowly. Strawberry.
over there.
Yes, slowly.
9,
Okay. If it's full up, you go to the other one. Okay? one. This one. This is already full up. Don't put here anymore. Here, not here.
And done.
And more here.
And done.
More here. Okay.
And two.
Here.
And let's take it again over there.
Oh, we cannot take it anymore. Because we're going to put it in the freezer. Okay, here. Here, like this.
So
This. And this. Okay. So it's full up now. Okay. Ready? Don't remove, okay? Because it will fall. So, we will put it on the freezer.
now we'll keep it. Put it.
Yes, we will put it on the freezer. We will cover it with this. And then we put it on the freezer, okay? Are you ready?
Cover it.
Okay, we cover it. Okay, slowly. First this. Okay, now you do cover it properly. Okay, next.
Mommy, I want to cover it too.
Okay,
I don't.
that one is full up. Uh-oh.
Oh. And twelve.
Oh no, it doesn't fit there. Cover the others. But it's full up. We need to remove Okay, ready. Put it now in the freezer. Kasha kaya? Yes. Here we go. Let's wait and see. What happened to your strawberry? Oh no. Are you cleaning? Good girl.
I'm going to school.
You're going to school when? When are you going to school?
I'm going to school.
Is it clean now?
Yes.
Good girl. Oh. Oh, again.
Oh, the Papa was waiting for you. Hey, lift your sandwich.
Are you excited? Yay, come on, let's get it. Go sit down there. Okay. Excited. Jaereen is so excited. Okay, here is the popsicle stick. La 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 la. Are you ready?
Open.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's open it.
And open it. It's a strawberry. And open it.
Say, wow.
Strawberry.
How are we going to open this?
Strawberry.
Is this ready?
Strawberry.
Yeah. Strawberry with... Oh no. How are we going to get this? Maybe like this?
Oh no!
Let's see. Uh-oh, it didn't come. Look, how nice it came. But how are we going to get it? Oh, I forgot to put here. Suppose we have to put here too. Uh-oh. How are we going to get it? Let's see. It doesn't come out. careful, okay? It's not coming out. How is it going to come out? Nak, what are you eating? What are you eating? Can you share? Please. Can you share, please? Oh, she's a good girl. That's for who? For you only? I thought for mommy. Thank you. An owl. I've got an owl. Ate Elle is going to school. Do you want to go with her? Really? But for you to go to school, mommy needs to go to work.
May I go to school?
And where will mommy go? Mommy will go with daddy and go to work. Relax na relax ah.
Policeman!
Where?
Policeman!
Oh no. Yeah, there's a policeman over there. What is the policeman doing?
Look, it's coming! I want to live in cow.
What's next?
Let's do the cow together.
Okay, second round. Let's see after one day. Tingnan natin kung okay na siya.
Daddy, turn on the light.
It's on now. Look, Jaereen, come on, let's open this na. Let's see what's inside. Let's get the others. Or no. Is it nice? Jaereen, is it nice? Do you like it? We make some more next time. Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you like it? Are you happy?
Yes.
Oh, it's like you're not happy. Show me the happy face. Are you happy? You're not happy. Well done, Jaereen.
Wow.
Lana, show it to mommy. Can I see properly? Your popsicle stick? Yummy. Do you like it? Super yummy.
Yummy.
You like it, Darren?
I like it so much.
Good job! You made it yourself, anak. Good job! The popsicle stick. Yummy. It's cold.